Bungalow design and village, charming ideas and courtyard decor for cozy rural living spaces. Bungalow design and village settings blend simplicity and charm, offering cozy living spaces that embrace both functionality and aesthetic appeal. At the heart of such designs is an efficient use of space, where clever solutions are paramount to maximizing every square inch without sacrificing comfort or style. These compact homes often incorporate multifunctional furniture, built-in storage solutions, and open floor plans that create a sense of spaciousness. For instance, sliding walls and fold-away furniture can transform living areas to accommodate various daily activities seamlessly. This smart use of space not only enhances livability, but also ensures that even the smallest bungalow remains inviting and comfortable. In these village bungalows, the incorporation of natural materials and earthy tones plays a pivotal role in fostering a warm and welcoming atmosphere. Wooden accents, stone walls, and earthy color palettes serve not only as aesthetic choices, but also as bridges between the indoor spaces and the natural world outside. The use of reclaimed wood for ceilings or furniture, and local stone for fireplaces or exterior walls, grounds the structure in its environment. Earthy hues on walls and textiles reflect the surrounding landscapes, further connecting the home to its rural setting. This choice of materials and colors does more than beautify. It instills a profound sense of harmony and balance, making the bungalow a sanctuary within its natural habitat. Outdoor living spaces are a quintessential aspect of charming village bungalows, enhancing the appeal and function of these homes. Expansive porches invite residents to savor morning coffees amidst birdsong or unwind in the cool evening breeze. Balconies and patios become extensions of the indoor living areas, providing additional space for entertainment or leisure. Gardens, often abundant with local flora, are designed to be both beautiful and practical, sometimes incorporating vegetable beds or herb gardens. These outdoor havens not only expand the living area, but also encourage interaction with nature, promoting a relaxed and hurried lifestyle. In essence, they serve as tranquil retreats where one can read, meditate, or simply enjoy the sounds and sights of village life. Overall, the design of village bungalows offers more than a shelter. It presents a lifestyle that celebrates simplicity, harmony with nature, and the joy of community. Through efficient space utilization, the use of natural materials, and the seamless integration of outdoor spaces, these homes become idyllic retreats for those seeking solace in rural living. They embody a perfect balance between aesthetic appeal and functional living, making them a cherished choice for those drawn to the tranquil charms of village life.